Namaskar, I welcome you all on my channel, and in this video we will learn how to load the dataset from Kaggle to Google Colab. So for doing that we have to log in into the Google. I will basically log in from my Google account. You can use another methods as well. After logging into our account, you have to click on the settings, and after clicking into the settings you have to create a new token. As I have already created a token, I do not need to do it. And after creating a token, you will download a JSON file like this into your download folder. Now what we will do, we have to install the Kaggle library, and pip install Kaggle is the command for installing it. After installing this Kaggle library, we have to import certain libraries as well. From Google.colab import files to import some files, pandas as PD, numpy as np. Google.colab import autoviz to generate the visualization basically, and seaborn will be also used for the plotting. So after we have to upload that downloading kaggle.json file. I've run mkdir.kaggle tilde.kaggle, so that it will create a new directory on the name of user. After that we have to copy that JSON file into the created folder. After copying that JSON file, we have to change the permission. After changing the permission, we will see if everything is working fine or not. So we have downloaded the zipped file. So in order to use, we have to unzip it first. After unzipping, we will get the loan default data.csv file. After we have to save, after we will while we call the object, we can see the first view of our dataset. Basically, this is our dataset containing 37 columns and 38,480 rows. After now we have to see the information of our dataset, and this .info command will give very important information about the dataset, so that our dataset contain how many not null values, and what are the type of our column. We have 19 float columns, 4 integer type columns, and 14 object type columns. And it also gives the details of number of columns, how many rows we have, and what are the index range. So now after going further down, now we have to see the top. If we have to see the top 10 rows of our dataset, we can use top dataset.head command, and we have to specify that number. So how many rows we have to you can say display. So .tail will give the bottom 10 of the rows of the dataset. And if we want to check the null values present in the dataset column wise, so we can use dataset.isNull.sum command, and basically it is giving column wise number of null values. So in info command we have already seen it is giving not null value, but it is not clearly visible which column has how many values missing. So in this command we can see loan amount has one value missing, funded amount has one value missing. So this since last dealing we have 24,363 number of rows missing, data values basically missing. So if we see, now we will check if our dataset containing any duplicate rows. So we don't have any duplicates or rows in our dataset. So if we want to see the numerical summary of our dataset, we have to run the .describe command. So in this command is very helpful in getting the numerical summary about the dataset. Count gives the number of rows. Mean value gives the mean of the specific column. If we concentrate on the loan amount column, we have 11,094 value, and in 50% we have 9750. So as mean value is greater than the 50% value, we can say our data is set is our this column is right skewed. So we can also plot that by doing univariate analysis by using Seaborn library. So by doing KD plot, we can see that our data set is already right skewed. So and this describe command and will give the numerical summary of all the numerical columns present in the data set. So we will further analyze all the columns, and this is all about this video. Thank you everyone, and if you want more content like this, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.